Hmm? How
In
can?
the name of Almighty Allah, merciful and beneficent, honorable chief guest, respected teacher, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today's my speech topic is the role of a teacher in education. उस्ताद के अजमत को तराजू में न तोलो, उस्ताद के अजमत को तराजू में न तोलो, उस्ताद तो हर दौर में अनमोल रहा है. Mr. President, a teacher is like a leader which is fixed at one place but help other to rise high. A teacher is an important creature in the life of the student who through his knowledge and passion give a shape to the student whole life. A teacher is the foundation of a community who shares academic knowledge, ethical and moral. Whereas that makes someone's personality as better, having